After 3 years of non-stop construction, Camp Nou is entering one of its most important phases yet. The compression ring is expanding, the third tier is taking shape, ceramic facade installation is accelerating, and major structural elements are now being lifted into place. Across the stadium, crews are pushing forward on multiple fronts as the transformation continues at full speed. In today's update, we'll break down all the latest developments and take a closer look at how the future Spotify Camp Nou is rapidly coming to life. The compression ring continues to make significant progress as crews expand the structure from both the north and south sections of the stadium. A new support pillar has now been installed in the south goal area, while additional ring segments have been added on the north side. The north goal section remains slightly ahead, but both sides are advancing steadily toward completing the full structural oval. With more radial beams already in place and prepared to receive new segments, the compression ring is becoming one of the most visible elements of the stadium's transformation. Work on the decorative facade is progressing across multiple sections of Camp Nou. New lamellas continue to be installed in the south goal, north goal, and central lateral areas, creating longer uninterrupted sections around the stadium exterior. Installation teams are maintaining a strong pace, and the lower facade areas are beginning to look much more complete. Every newly installed section adds to the final architectural identity of the stadium and brings the exterior closer to its finished appearance. A major development on the facade is the appearance of the integrated LED lighting system. Several completed lamellas now feature LED fixtures mounted directly onto the decorative structure, with 2 lighting units visible on each section. These lights will play an important role in the stadium's nighttime appearance and demonstrate that finishing works are progressing alongside the main structural construction. Inside the VIP ring, construction has moved further into the interior finishing phase. Partition structures have already been installed, and plasterboard walls are now clearly visible throughout several areas. The internal layout of future hospitality spaces is becoming easier to identify as crews continue defining rooms and enclosed sections. These developments show that progress is no longer limited to the exterior, with substantial work now taking place inside the stadium as well. Teams are working on spaces that will eventually house bars, restaurants, and fan service facilities throughout the stadium. Mechanical systems, ventilation routes, and infrastructure required for these areas are gradually being integrated into the structure. These works represent an important step toward creating a modern matchday experience for supporters. Construction activity remains highly visible throughout the future third tier. Crews continue building internal walls, service areas, and circulation spaces while concrete block installation progresses across multiple sections. Work is advancing steadily on future concession zones, hospitality spaces, and supporting infrastructure. Although the third tier is expected to open in phases during 2027, significant progress is being made during the summer period when construction can proceed without interruptions from matchday operations. Alongside interior development, structural work on the third tier continues to move closer to completion. Teams are finishing expansion joints, access openings, and remaining structural connections throughout the seating bowl. In the central tribune sector, workers remain focused on support nodes and sleeper beam systems that will carry future compression ring elements. Most of the major concrete and structural components are now in place, with crews concentrating on final assembly and preparation works. Progress is also continuing across the first and second cantilever levels. On the second cantilever, workers are advancing interior walls, technical rooms, and future spectator service areas. Several sections have already reached an advanced stage of construction, while additional areas continue to receive new concrete block installations. The first cantilever is being transformed through the ongoing installation of ceramic facade panels, false ceiling systems, and supporting structures. As more facade sections are completed, the stadium's final appearance is becoming increasingly visible, particularly across the south goal and lateral sectors where installation teams remain highly active. The lateral facade continues to show major progress with the installation of decorative lamellas. More red-colored panels are being added to the structure, further defining the exterior appearance of the stadium. Different shades of red are now visible, creating the distinctive visual pattern planned for the facade. Support structures for additional lamellas are also being installed, allowing work to continue along multiple sections simultaneously. The tribune side continues to show steady construction progress, with large amounts of materials and equipment visible throughout the area. Activity remains concentrated around the structural sections, where crews are working on various support elements and preparing new installations. The compression ring is gradually extending closer to this side of the stadium, while work also continues around the core structures and the future giant screen area. Multiple platforms, reinforcement systems, and facade support structures remain active, highlighting the ongoing development of one of the most important sections of the project. Finishing works continue across multiple stadium cores, where crews are installing corner finishing elements and exterior coverings. These additions are gradually concealing previously exposed insulation materials and giving the structures a cleaner and more complete appearance. Although these details may seem small compared to the larger construction activities, they represent an important step toward the final finish of the stadium. The North Goal sector continues to see major progress in the installation of the facade support framework. Large steel structures are now visible across this area, defining the future position and angle of the decorative lamellas. While this remains one of the more complex parts of the project, the growing amount of completed support structure indicates that facade installation will continue expanding in this section over the coming weeks. The latest construction figures highlight the steady advancement of the compression ring project. A total of 17 support pillars out of the planned 46 have now been installed around the stadium. In addition, 43 compression ring segments have been assembled from the total of 123 required to complete the entire perimeter. These numbers show that construction is moving closer to the halfway point in several key structural areas. Construction of the 3 lateral diamond buildings continues to gain momentum. Concrete columns, reinforcement structures, and foundation elements are becoming increasingly visible, making the final shape of these buildings much easier to recognize. Extensive reinforcement steel is already in place, preparing several sections for future concrete work. As construction progresses, these diamond-shaped structures are beginning to emerge as an important part of the overall Espai Barça complex and the future surroundings of the new Camp Nou. Additional progress can be observed on the upper levels of the stadium where sandwich panels are being installed. These panels continue to expand across various sections, helping define the outer structure while preparing the area for future finishing works. Construction crews remain active throughout this zone, indicating that installation is moving forward efficiently. One of the most significant updates comes from the future Barça Store area. Construction crews are actively working around the exterior perimeter, where excavation and ground preparation activities continue. Large amounts of material are being removed and relocated as workers prepare the site for future elevation adjustments. The terrain in this area will eventually be raised considerably to match the final project design. Overall, construction activity remains intense across nearly every area of the project. Progress is visible on the compression ring, decorative facade, radial beam installations, future commercial zones, structural cores, and ground preparation works. Each update shows the stadium moving another step closer to its final form, with multiple teams working simultaneously on several key phases of the redevelopment. And that's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future progress.